Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we are going to show you how to replace a passenger side window switch in a 2010 Volkswagen GTI. If you need this part or any other part, you can click the link in the description. You take your pry tools. You can get these trim tools at 1aauto.com. Push down slightly right here. Oops. Be careful not to break anything. Lock tabs right there. Should be another one on this side. One more over here. There we go. So we have 4 lock tabs, 2 on that side, 2 on this side. I'm going to pull up slightly, then you need to disconnect the connector. You're going to push on this little lock tab on the connector and then pull down. Now to pull the window switch out, you're going to take a flat blade tool and just put it in there between the switch and the housing. Oh. One last one. Get the last lock out. Here's our old part. Here's our new part from 1aauto.com. As you can see, they look very similar. The connectors are exactly the same. Get your part at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. We're going to install our switch into our trim piece. We're going to slide it in like so. Just give it a little pressure. Make sure all the lock tabs are in. Looks good. Now we're going to connect our electrical connector. You're going to line up these slots with the new switch. Just push it on. And we need to line this up down below. Push down on the locks. It's locked in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.